Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a blind ad on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly learn how to create a blind ad on Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Account tab. Click on that. You're going to find this extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Help Center, and Sign Out. So click on Settings, and you're going to find further extended menu that says Users, Hiring Companies, Career Page Widget, Hiring Badges, Smiley Bells, Company Info, and Options. Click on Hiring Companies. So over here where you have this hiring companies, go ahead and edit the company information. So just go ahead and click on the company, right? Click on the name of the company and you have this information here. So if you want to create a blind ad, then you really have to change your company information. All right, so you can even change your company name to something else and your company website. When I work at this company, even the description, go ahead and change the information of this company or the company information so that once you are creating your list, it's going to be more of like a blind ad. The details of your company will not, that's the real details of your company, will not be displayed. All right, so to create a blind ad, then you need to change the details of your company information, which of course is done right here. So I'd like you to be aware of the risks, involved in creating blind ads. Just go ahead and search the risks to know if it's actually worth taking. So this is pretty much how you can create a blind ad on Ziprecruiter. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.